Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Cardano coin. What's the price goes in the Cardano, what's the next target of Cardano, and what's going at this time in the Cardano cryptocurrencies. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Cardano crypto. Thank you so much for your subscription. Please don't ignore my words, kindly please click the subscribe button right now and kindly please like this video. I really appreciate your like friends. Now friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the Cardano Ada in the last 1 week. Absolutely a very good chance to occur in Cardano Ada in the previous days, but unfortunately there is a very bad news occur at this time in Cardano coin friends. Now let's see the last 7-day price prediction. After that we look the last 1 hour and we look the currently situation, currently condition of the Cardano coin in the cryptocurrency markets friends. If we look the change in the Cardano coin in the last 7 days, so the change is about positive 18.41% goes a very good. I like this kind of change, but that is very less change occurs in the last 1 week because it's a travel interval of last 7 days. Last 7 days 18% is a very less than according to the last 7 days. The price high price of the Cardano coin in the last 7 days is 1.51%. So the price is a good target. I like it. The price of the Cardano soon they are hitting a $2 USD ground. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction of the Cardano coin is a really good going. But if we look the falls of the Cardano coin, so I'm worried about this falls. But I think we have to don't worry about this falls, because after a falls there is a jump. That is the same procedure of every cryptocurrencies. After a falls there is a jump. As you can see here, after a falls there is a jump, falls, jump, and now at this time a jump occur in the Cardano coin in this time frames. So maybe this jump goes very high and maybe they again start falls down. We can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, but that's my opinion for all of you, that the next target of Cardano in the April they are hitting $2. $2 is the target of Cardano in the April. So friends, as you can see here, the last 1 hour change goes are very better. Positive 0.92% change occurred in Cardano in the last 1 hour, and the price is 1.44 USD dollar is the high price of Cardano in the last 1 hour friends. So the next target of Cardano is to hit 2 USD dollar. What's your opinion about this target of Cardano coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Cardano coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you later.